There you go.
Late on it. There you go.
That's 2.
Tyler, keep it hard. Don't bring his bat speed up. Keep it hard. He's late on you. Because once he throws that change up, he's gonna meet it at the right spot and it's gonna go boom. There, and you got Boogie right here hanging. Still there. There he is. Still there. There you go. Hey Tyler, it's all you. Get it in there.
Very hard.
Come on now, fire.
There you go.
That's all right, it's all right.
Step out a little farther. Step way out, throw hard.
Cheap change. Cheap change.
There you go.
I got him. There you go. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? There you go. Way in front of it, wasn't he?
There you go.
There you go. All you got to do is get his confidence up and he goes. Come on, bring it hard, bring it hard.
There he goes.
That's okay, it's okay.
That's close, I can't see it.
That's fine, that's fine. Run the corner, run the corner.
Slow.
Yeah, Tyler. You gotta come set. Count to 1, then go. Come on, run the corner now. I get scared.
There you go.
That's all right. It's okay. 2-1, fight back.
Big step forward, Mott. Throw hard, all the way back. There you go.
There it is.
I saw that one. Here.
Keep it coming. Keep it hard. Keep it coming. Nathan, scoot over towards the line. Keep it hard.
There you go.
It's all right. What's that? 3-2. Full count.
Throw hard, Mott. All the way back.
Tyler, hard. Hard. I don't want to change here. This kid hasn't shown he can swing there.
There he goes. There it is.
There it is. Let's go. Way to fight back.